we doing today?
Well, I'm going to show you how to cut a tile.
Lovely.
We've got to cut a tile now for the TV feature, so I'll just show you quickly on the machine. Ruby tile cutting machine there, and this is the measurements we need to take.
Very nice.
So we will cut the width first. So what I do, I mark up exactly what I need. So 250 with black pen, and then I'll come to the other end of the tile. So we need to get 650 down, so I'll mark 650 so I know where I'm coming across. And then inwards, I will go 253. Give my final measurement, which is 650. I like to put a little mark up to show which side's my offcut, so I know which side I'm keeping, which side I'm not. Carefully not to catch the edge of the tile as I bring it in, or clip it against a fence so it doesn't chip the tile. I line up my two lines, so I normally go for my first mark, I go for in between the guide. My tile cutter down, and put my marker over the top. Then I will move to the other end of the tile to get it exactly on the line as well. So both lines are lined through. Both happy to go. So I'll come all the way back to the back of the tile, start scribing from here. Not a lot of pressure, just needs to store. Not too hard, because otherwise you might crack the tile or chip the tile. Lift the cutter up, literally with hardly any pressure. Just push down. We want to keep this one. This is the one with the mark on, so we know this isn't the tile we're going to be using. Then I'm going to put it back into the cutter to cut the length. It's on one mark, there, on the mark. Check the front again. Lightly scribe. Lift up. About an inch in I'll go. And that's it. That is how you cut a tile on the tile cutter.